Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you some top things you can get for your lover, partner, friend, whatever that's into skateboarding that's under 50 bucks. So I'm going to start kind of just jumping around a little bit, and I'll give you some list of things. Like, it's by no means like a super inclusive thing, but just some quick thoughts I had. Okay, the first thing would be you can get clothing like this hat right here. Like, this is a Lakai hat. It's pretty cool. You can get these at your local skate shop, or you can get them, like online. You can go get like shop hats or whatever to support your local shop. So that's something you can do. And I guess like if you're really nerdy like me, you can get something like Ready Player One, or just something that's like just kind of cool, like nerdcore like culture. So that's something else that you could do. The next one, just kind of controversial, would be a set of wheels. These are a set of Spitfires. So you can get a set of wheels for them. I know it's kind of controversial because some people are really particular about what it is they like and don't like in the wheels. But a lot of times if they have a local skate shop, and if they go to a local skate shop, you can go there and say, hey, I'm trying to get a gift for this person. This is kind of what they're into. And they probably could even pull up records of like what they bought in the past and kind of figure out what it is that they like, what size, neurometer, and everything. So that's something you can do. The other thing you can do if you're just kind of on the cheap right here is you could get stickers. You could get a whole crap ton of stickers for somebody to like put under their deck, or even like a piece of clear grip tape and maybe put on the top of their deck. So that's something else that you can do. That'd be really cool. The next thing is for sneakerheads. This is the Vans Off the Wall shoe care kit. You can use these for all kinds of other shoes, obviously, but a lot of times, especially what happens with Vans and shoes that have like just like the white gum rubber on the outsides, they get kind of dingy and nasty. And maybe we don't care about our skate shoes like that way, but like our kicks, when we're like going out of town somewhere, doing something else, like we want to look nice, like these do a really good job of taking care of that. They also take care of the suede and stuff too, so that's something else. And for your accident prone people, we have a set of the FP socks, and they actually have specifically padding in the shin and also on the ankle. These are really great to kind of prevent shinners, and kind of the older you get and everything, the more shinners you get and the more they hurt, to be honest with you. So these are really great for preventing that. They're an awesome product. For me, they're kind of a game changer for like, as far as I feel it's more comfortable trying tricks that I wouldn't try maybe otherwise. Something to bang my shins up. I mean, they're not a substitute for like a pad or anything, but like it's good just to have that extra safety precaution and just make you feel better, which makes you skate better if you're more confident. And the last one is like one of the last ones, you can get clothing. Like, this is from Thieveland brand. This is from Worcester Skate Shop. So you can also do clothing from your local shop or just wherever that's like skateboarding related. All you have to need to know is like their size and kind of the brands they're into, and kind of just a good gift is just being observant. You know, my wife's really good at this. Like, she looks at stuff and she's like, oh, you like Element skateboards, or you like these trucks or whatever. So maybe she won't get me a deck or trucks, but she'll get me something related to that, like a necklace or a shirt or something like like a belt or something like that. So that's something you can do. Just be observant and see what they like. And the last thing is, you can obviously, if all else fails, just get them a Thrasher magazine, like a subscription for like 12 months. It's super cool. You have it mailed there. You get a free t-shirt, and it's just something really good you can give back, and they can kind of just get into the culture a little bit more. So those are some of the things that you can do for a great gift that's around 50 bucks, like give or take. And they're really awesome. And if you like this, then please subscribe. And thanks for watching.